Second part we have objective. Fill in the blanks. खाली जगह को पुर करना है. First one is the total area of Pakistan is dash km. पाकिस्तान का कुल रकबा कितना है? The total area of Pakistan is 7,96,096 km. And the second is dash is the largest province of Pakistan. पाकिस्तान का सबसे बड़ा सूबा कौन सा है? तो स्टूडेंट्स बलोचिस्तान पाकिस्तान का सबसे बड़ा सूबा है. एंड दिस इज़ बलोचिस्तान इज़ द लार्जेस्ट प्रोविंस ऑफ पाकिस्तान. थर्ड इज़ द मरी हिल्स आर सिचुएटेड इन डैश. मरी की पहाड़ियाँ कहाँ वाक़या हैं? द मरी हिल्स आर सिचुएटेड इन पंजाब. फोर्थ, द डैश इज़ लोकेटेड इन ख्योड़ा. ख्योड़ा में क्या वाक़या है? ख्योड़ा में सॉल्ट रेंज है, नमक. The salt range is located in Khyora. Fifth, dash is the old name of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. Khyber Pakhtunkhwa का पुराना नाम क्या है? NWFP. Northwest Federal Pakistan is the old name of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. Let's repeat it. Fill in the blanks. The total area of Pakistan is 7,96,096 km square. Second, Balochistan is the largest province of Pakistan. Third, the Murray Hills are situated in Punjab. Fourth, the Salt Range is located in Khyora. Fifth, NWFP is the old name of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. Now we have some true-false. First one is, there are 5 provinces in Pakistan. Pakistan के 5 सूबे हैं. And students, this is true. There are 5 provinces in Pakistan. This option is true. Second is, Thar desert is dry and barren. Thar desert खुश्क और बंजर है. Yes students, this is also true. Thar desert is dry and barren because of very little rainfall. Third one is, tributary is a larger river. Tributary एक बहुत बड़ा दरिया है. And this statement is false. Tributary is a larger river. No students, tributary is a smaller river. Fourth one, Sindh is the third largest province of Pakistan. Sindh पाकिस्तान का तीसरा बड़ा सूबा है. Yes students, this is also true. Sindh is the third largest province of Pakistan. Fifth and last one is, the highest road in the world is the Karakoram highway. दुनिया की सबसे बड़ी रोड यानी सड़क कराकोरम हाईवे है. No students, this is also true. The highest road in the world is the Karakoram highway. Now students, I will repeat it. First one is, there are 5 provinces in Pakistan. True. Second, Thar desert is dry and barren. True. Third, tributary is a larger river. False. Fourth, Sindh is the third largest province of Pakistan. True. Fifth, the highest road in the world is the Karakoram highway. True. And your diary is, learn and write terms, words meaning, fill in the blanks, true, false, and MCQs. And the message of the day is, health, wealth, and wisdom come to those who embrace the morning and make full use of it. Allah Hafiz.